Hello everyone, I am Ujjwaldeep and this is my final project for CS50. It is a Notepad application named Notelor. So first we have the login and register system. First we will register a new user. As you can see, it indicates if the passwords are not matching. Now we will sign up. The user John Doe is registered now. Let's log in. Here we have a empty canvas. We have this nice illustration from under.com. You can get illustrations like this from there. So as we can see, it is empty now. So we can add a new note. We can say submit final project, make a video, submit to the right branch. Third is fill the form, and fourth is wait for the certificate, as I will be waiting after this. So here we have our first note. So there are various buttons here. As we can see, we can open the note here. The notepad is not completely visible from the initial screen. We have to click on the heading or the icon here, and we can see the complete note in its formatting, text formatting, and we close it. We can see the timestamp of the creation of this note, and if we create another one, new note, something to describe, I added. Now the new one will be added at the top of the window here according to the timestamp. Now here we have two buttons in each note. We have the delete button and we have the edit button. Edit means we can update the contents of the note. As you can see, something to describe this note. I update it. I click on the new note and this note is here. Now if we want to delete a note, we can click on any of these notes and I will get a prompt. Am I sure I want to delete this? So if I press OK, it will be deleted. If I click here and I press cancel, it will not be deleted. Yeah. So this is it. Now I will show you another user. As you can see, we can log out of there. Now we go to another user. I have some notes already here. I will show you the mobile view of the application. Here is the mobile view. We can scroll through all the notes and we have this nice bootstrap navbar here, which is collapsible. We can see the username here, and similarly we can add the note, edit it and view it. Now this is a long note, so it has a scrollable window. Otherwise we will have a small window with a close button. So that is it. My name is Ujjwaldeep and this was CS50.